Hi everyone, today we are going to see what is going on with this new block. And now we're going to see the motion blocks for today's lessons, today's tutorial. Okay, and today we're going to look at this move steps block. Okay, first of all, let's put in the event block to make something different on the character so that we can control it. Okay, now we have an event block that says when you press the space bar, the character will move. So now let's see what is this move 10 step block is all about. Okay, now we go with these 10 steps. Now we start the character. So when I press the space bar, okay, you see the character is moving forward step by step with just very small steps. So if let's say you want the character to move more faster, okay, it is very easy. You just need to change this number 10 into a bigger number. Let's say we put it at 50 and see what's happened with the character, and we have the green flag. Okay, now let's press the space bar. Okay, you see the character is moved much more faster now. And okay, how about if let's say we put a negative in front of this 50 and we try and see what's happened now. Okay, oh, this negative 50 is that making the cat going behind. The character is going behind. Okay, further that we are going to look into these information panels. We're going to talk a little bit about the directions for today as well. Okay, when you click on these directions, okay, this direction is talking about what is the directions that your character is facing. So now let's rotate this a little bit, and you will find that the character is turning together with the arrow. If let's say you put your arrow in the 0 directions, yeah, your character is facing on the top, on the north side. How about 180 degree? They will be facing down the south side, and this 90 degree is the right hand side of the character, and this is the left hand side. Okay, so if let's say we put the direction with the 52 degree, and with the number here we change back to the 50 positive value, and what is happening with your character? Will it move left and right? Yeah, definitely not. It will be following your direction going on the top. Yeah, slanting to 42 degree. And how about we put back to negative 50? Yeah, it will be going reverse with 52 degree directions. Okay, today that is all about our tutorial, and we will see you again in next chapter. Thank you very much.